Today, I want to show you how I created this vintage-style book cover. I've always loved the look of old books, especially ones that feature beautiful buildings or monuments on the cover. After some trial and error, I finally designed one I'm really happy with, and I can't wait to show you the process. Let's dive in and get started. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel Be Productive with me. First, log into your Canva account and select a template. For this design, we'll be using a specific size, which you can see on the screen now. Head over to the Elements tab and search for monuments. Scroll down until you find a suitable image. The vision I have in mind features this style of building, so I'll drag this element to the right side of the template. Next, click See All to browse similar options. You can follow my choices or pick the buildings that best fit your design. Place them strategically to form your background. Now, I'm going to include a circle shape and change its color to a deep red. To fill in some of the empty space, let's add tree branches. I'll use these specific ones, placing them on both sides to peek out from the edges. I don't want them to be too prominent, just a subtle detail on each side. I've also added a small plane to complete the scene. Now, for a crucial step, the book cover spine. Place it down the middle of the page. Once you've positioned it, change the entire page's background color to off-white. This gives the whole cover that distinct vintage feel. You can add more small details if you like, but it's completely optional. Finally, let's add the title. Go to the text option and select a font style that complements the vintage theme. Add your text to the front of the cover. To enhance the design, I'm adding some small birds right below the title. And just like that, your book cover is ready to be published on Amazon KDP. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.